A lot of people come in and say use bacon, so we are. So I guess the bacon will probably work. Let's see if the bacon works. In a little bit, we're gonna check it. Nothing, guys. Because the bacon didn't work, let's try cheese. So some people comment to use cheese. Let's use cheese. Cheese. So got it? Put it in there. That works. So let's see if the cheese works. Let's see if we got something. Oh! Giant.
It got out.
No. Guys, this is good. Like, that's big enough to eat, I think, actually.
That is a big one. Does he
Bye-bye.
want to go swimming?
Throw it in there. So I guess the cheese does work, kind of.